Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at the Box Solo Soundbar 2 by Bose, and I can't wait to get this thing unboxed. And boom, there she is. You can see all the contents of the box laid out. You got your optical cable, there's your remote, you got your power cable and adapter, and beside that we can see the user manual right there. Oh, hold up 1 second, and there, right there, you can see is our wall mounting gear, and we will get to that momentarily. Guys, this soundbar looks amazing with its metal grill. There's no cheap plastic here. And you'll see in 1 second, I'm going to get my tape measure out. It is 21.5 inches wide by 3 inches deep and high approximately. I love that it has a remote and that it is smart enough to turn itself off after several hours of no audio. Also, if you happen to buy the subwoofer, the remote has a bass option on here that you'd be able to control it with, which is pretty cool. To connect your smart device or phone, just hold down the Bluetooth button there, and then you'll see that there's a blinking light in the front of the soundbar. The light will turn a solid white when it is connected to your smart device. Just like that, we are connected. And on the back of the soundbar are two small wall mounts, so you can hang it on the wall if that floats your boat. According to my sound test that I did in another video, I found that while the mids and highs are exceptional, the lows are a little less powerful, and that's because I didn't have it hooked up in unison with the subwoofer. I hope you guys found this video informative and entertaining, maybe a little bit, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.